Welcome to the Copeland Mobile video series. This video will cover how to install the Copeland Mobile App to your mobile device. Let's get started. First, go to your App Store. Next, type Copeland Mobile in the search bar. Then hit Search. Scroll down to Copeland Mobile. Next, click Get to download Copeland Mobile. Next, open Copeland Mobile. Accept terms and conditions by tapping on the circle, then accept. Next, create an account to register your device to Copeland Mobile by entering your email ID and other pertinent information. Next, tap Register. Go back to the login screen and enter your email ID, then click Login. In the lower right-hand corner, tap Next to view some features of Copeland Mobile. Tap Home to begin using Copeland Mobile. If you find this video helpful, click the thumbs up and subscribe to the Copeland Mobile series for future videos.